Let's go, Tesla. First time in a Cybertruck. Not the last time. Let's go. I'll take y'all on a nice ride. This thing drives like a tank.
You say you was I never see.
I knew he was gonna have that one song to be out. It's too hard. It's hard to come back from something like that. The song is too hard. What you gonna come back with next? I'm from Maryland and they never see. This is good. It ain't that
This carrot's so little.
What is this idiot doing? Drive your car and get out of the way.
Oh, you can go on the actual road with it? It's not worth it.
It's not worth it.
It's cool. It's actually cool. Like, it feels cool, but it's just like, oh. This reminds me of. If it looked like a regular car on the outside, I think, yeah, this would be great to get. But
it handles so well. The ride is so smooth. You don't think?
I do. It feels like we're not, like, it feels like we're in
a spaceship.
Yeah.
You're not even driving. I know what you need. You need just a quick dart just to see how much power is behind this thing.
No.
No? These EVs are crazy acceleration.
So what if you wanted to steal this?
It's an electric car, so they probably got software to turn it off wherever it's at. Like if I take too long on the test drive, they might be able to pull themselves up via video on the screen and tell me to come back, or they're gonna call 911. Sir, you have taken 30 minutes and we are calling the cops. Either bring the truck back or you will be arrested.
Oh, it's shut down by itself.
And I like this so much better with the braking because it's not as aggressive as the other ones. But let's just let that car go and then.
No!
See how fast that thing is? That's a lot of torque.
It is in the sound. This feels like.
You felt that now?
It felt fake, like the ride felt fake.
Yeah.
Like this feels like I'm in a VR headset. That's all I'm trying to say.
That's the exact feeling I get because the glass is so wide. Everything is very crystal clear. And then the lighting on the front.
Oh.
Just make sure we won't hit no deers while we back here. This thing is crazy. I was gonna rent one of these for my birthday.
That would have been nice.
I think I still am. It's so worth it. Such a nice car.
I don't like the sound of that.
No.
Dang, the glass is long. I didn't even notice how big the.
And then the top. Look at the top. It's all glass.
I did not notice that. Actually, it's cool a little bit.
top. Look at the top. It's all glass.
I did not notice that.
It's glass.
Actually, it's cool a little bit.
Where's the horn? You could change it to fart sounds. I saw that. You can make it fart. Back to the dealership so we can go to Crumble Cookie. Was it fun? Did you have fun? You like the truck? You think I should buy it? I think I should too. So Lay's hating on us. She said don't get it.
It's the perfect song.
Cybertruck vibes. Let's go. Okay. YouTube was you ready now?
What is that?
It's supposed to be a show. Is it too bright?
Where's the show?
Did they turn all the dealership lights off to make it better? No way. Did they do that for us?
I thought a little show was gonna play like a little.
It's funny because on the other car, you see the car over there with the doors up in the air? That one has a show too, and the doors like flop up. And this is awesome. I gotta join the family. This is too much. It's too much, and that little Y ain't gonna cut it. Wow. Was that nice, Nara?